Today is a very special day for our family. We're celebrating the very first ceremony leading up to my niece's wedding, an intimate and traditional ritual often known as the Baan or engagement confirmation ceremony. This is where the wedding journey officially begins, surrounded by blessings, prayers, and the warmth of close family.
पुत्राशौ यत्र पितरो भवन्ति मानो मध्यारीरिकदाजरिगन्तोः अदितिर्द्यौरदितिरन्तरिक्षमदितिर् माता स पिता पुत्रः विश्वे देवा अदितिः पञ्चजना अदितिर्जातमदितिर्नित्वां माध्योः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथ्वी शान्तिरा.
In Indian weddings, especially in many North Indian and Arya Samaj traditions, this ceremony is performed at home, keeping everything humble and sacred. Family members gather on the floor, creating a simple but beautiful setting where the priest begins with prayers and Vedic chants. These chants are meant to purify the home, invite positive energy, and bless the couple as they take their first steps towards marriage. The man leading the ceremony is from the local Arya Samaj. The verses he recites are ancient, passed down for thousands of years. Each mantra has a purpose. Some ask for harmony, some for strength, and some for a long, joyful married life. In moments like these, you can really feel how tradition connects generations, how the past guides the present. And here is our beautiful bride-to-be, sitting on a small wooden stool called a pedi. This is a low seat, symbolizes grounding, reminding us that even as life changes, love and marriage are built on humility, respect, and stability. She listens quietly as there are chants of blessings for her future, and you can see the mixture of excitement and calm on her face. It's a precious moment in time.
रक्षे मांचला सर्वाबाधा विनमुक्तो धनदानुदानदा स्वामि बदनामी रक्षे मांचला सर्वाबाधा विनमुक्तो.
Throughout the ceremony, family play an important role. Tying the thread around the family members and bride's wrist symbolizes protection and good fortune. Each gesture carries meaning. Every small ritual is a blessing performed with love and hope. This ceremony is also where the astrological auspicious date of the wedding is confirmed. Based on the position of the moon and stars, with guidance, the family chooses the ideal time and date for the marriage, ensuring harmony and prosperity in the couple's new life together.
ओम लक्ष्मी नारायणाभ्यां नमः उमा महेश्वराभ्यां नमः वाणी हिरण्यगर्भाभ्यां नमः सजी पुरंदराभ्यां नमः माता चरण कमलेभ्यो नमः इष्ट देवताभ्यो नमः कुल देवताभ्यो नमः ग्राम देवताभ्यो नमः स्थान देवताभ्यो नमः वास देवताभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो सिद्धेभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ऋषिभ्यो नमः एतत् ब्रह्मधान देवता श्रीमन् महागणाधिपते नमः अभिघ्नमस्तु सुमुखाय नमः सुमुखस्य गदन्तश्च कपिलो गजगणनः लंबोदरस्य विघ्नो विघ्ननाशो विनायकः धूम्रकेतुगुणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्रमुजानः द्वादशेतान्नामानि अभेक्षणीयादपि विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटे चैव विघ्नश्च त्वयाति सुखदां भद्रं देवं सजीवरणं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये सिद्ध्यार्थं पूजितो या सुदासुरे सर्वविघ्नहर तस्मै गणाधिपते नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्ते वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सिद्धिबुद्धिसहितायं श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमः श्रोपचारार्थे गन्धाक्षरपुष्पाणि मन्त्रपुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि. सोज्ये हरि ओम विष्णु नमः परमात्मे श्री ब्रह्मपुराण पुरुषोत्तमाय विष्णुराज्ञा प्रवर्तमानस्य.
You can feel the emotion in the room. For parents, this is a milestone. For the bride-to-be, it's the beginning of an exciting journey. And for all of us, it's a chance to witness a beautiful tradition that has brought families together for generations. As the ceremony comes to an end, the prayers, blessings, and love shared today become the foundation of the celebrations to come. This is just the beginning of the wedding festivities, and we are so grateful to share this moment with you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next beautiful chapter in this wedding journey.